Hi everyone, this is the Casio FX-260 Solar II, and it's pack, and it's a scientific calculator. And it says right here it's permitted on the AP, SAT, SAT subject, PSAT, M or NMSAT, and ACT. Interesting. And then this is the actual size apparently. Suggested courses. Here on the side, it says general math, pre-algebra, algebra 1 and 2, trigonometry, and sciences. And it does fractions. And then there's a whole bunch of descriptions here. Solar power, 10 plus 2, digital display. I guess the plus 2 is to do scientific. Fraction calculations, backspace function, trigonometric functions, one variable statistics, standard deviation apparently, one independent memory, and permutation combinations for stats. And then it has all these like other things that it can do, fractions, coordinate conversions, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric power functions, logarithms, like most things, parentheses. There's a QR code, maybe to follow them. Comes with a hard case apparently, and it's made in Thailand, but it looks like it's a Japanese calculator. Nice. So this is an unboxing of this. This is a pink version. Now I got this from Target. It was on sale. It was $10, $9.99. And I guess they have that price for back to school sale maybe. Okay, here in LA. Okay, so I took that off. Let's see if we can pull this out. Okay. And let's see. Maybe it would have been easier down here. Oh, it does say right here open actually. So, oh well, we got this opened. Comes with some little plastic. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Small size, limited warranty, and I'm not sure what language this could be. Could be Spanish. And that's the manual. This is or a user guide actually. That's what it says. And looks very nice. Scientific function calculations, memory. Gives you a lot more details on the other side as well. Technical information. Let's just look. Let's say it has absolute value. Yeah, see, I don't see it here. Absolute values. There's square roots over here. Statistics mode, arithmetic mean or arithmetic mean, looks like standard deviation, exponentials, some power supply, and then the ranges, I guess, of what these numbers can do. That's interesting. What the ranges are of this calculator. That's nice. That's really nice. So you have this these instructions. Okay, well, those are always good to keep. Sometimes you can't find them online, like the Katiga one, or what is it called? Katiga. This one I can't find the manual for online. Okay, so this is nice. Comes in a nice little bag there. Yep, easy to slide out. Very nice color pink. And clicks very nicely. Solar panel, you can see that, right? Let's see what else. What else do we got? Some mode features, which probably turns some other things on. I don't know how to use the calculator at the moment. I'll probably have to look at it a little more. But yeah, mode. Let's see. Then you have the shift button here, right, to activate some other things like percent, maybe pi. Square root is right here, right? 10 to the x, e to the x, all the trigonometric. Plus or minus key, very important. Clear, AC, turn on. Maybe it doesn't turn off. No, it's probably on all the time. That's interesting. I don't see an off key. Random generator, I think. Let's say shift. No. Probably has to be in some other mode. Probably have to choose something here to turn it on to that mode. Well, we'll figure that out. Has an ABC button like 2, ABC, 6, ABC, 5, 2 and 6 over 5. And I guess this is where you put the data down here. Anything else? The third root here, that's nice. Square root, like I said before. There's an arrow, don't know what that is. Arc sine and so forth. 1 over x, that's nice. X to the 1, is that? Let me see. This is why I have this. Yeah, that's interesting. This is any root. Like this is the third root, right? This is any root. This is any power, right? That's about it. These are factorial. That's n, meaning how many data points you have. This is only for one variable, and it says right here something about standard deviation. Probably one variable statistics, standard deviation. It must do the mean, which is, I think, this one. Yeah, that's the mean. This is the population standard deviation. This one's the sample standard deviation on the top right there. Sum of x squared. The permutation, combinations, factorial, r to p, p to r. Don't know that. What else? That's about it. Oh, there's a d over c, so improper fractions. But there must be a way to put that in a mode to get this random number here. Let me see. This one, that one, and this one. No. Okay. Oh, we have to read the directions. Very compact, actually. Very nice compact. It comes in black too. I saw it in black. Now this compared to something like a Texas Instrument TI-30X Pro. Okay, you can see it's way smaller. More functions, a lot more functions. And the Casio, the one that some people are buying, is this one. Very nice. This is the Casio FX-260 Plus. Okay, you can see the size difference. And it has, of course, the screen size is different. Well, we should open this one up, right? All these calculators seem to have a cover, which is nice. All Different layouts. Well, you can see that this Casio and this Casio, different layouts, of course. You have these arrow buttons. This one doesn't seem to have arrow buttons at all. And the fraction buttons here, you can really tell very nicely. This is the fraction button as well. This is a plus or minus key. This is a plus or minus key. It's different. Delete and AC. This is clear and AC, right? This is a random number over here. Let's see if I press Shift and 0. Oh, random number. I wonder if it's like you have to put a seed in there. Yeah. No. Let's see. Don't know how to operate that. That would be interesting. It has a stats key. This one doesn't. This one's solar, as you can see. So is this one. So is this one. And then definitely way different. And then of course you have something that you can find at the 99-cent store, which is something the basic. Right. Let's turn this one on. Right, and it has way less features. So this one is less than $5. You might even find it for $1. Who knows? I don't think anymore. And this one, I don't remember how much this one is these days. I think it's anywhere below $15. This one's should be below $5, or actually, yeah. And this one, this math print, unfortunately, you can't find that in the U.S. Because I think people don't usually use that version. They use this one, which is the high end, which we'll put over here. See that? This is the TI-36X Pro. This is the American version one. See that? They all have different functions, of course. These two are very similar. Key layouts are very similar, as you can see. But this one, the Casio FX-260 Solar II, as we were talking about this one, very small, very compact. Apparently, you can use it on the ACT, right? What does it say right here? AP, SAT, SAT subject, PSAT, and MSQT. Oh, I think I said that differently last time. And ACT. Okay. Totally different. But these calculators have different functions. They tend to operate the same way in terms of the values that they give you and settings. So hopefully that gives you an idea what this calculator looks like, the size, how it's compact, and it gives you, you can barely see it here, comp mode 0, degrees mode 4, rad mode 5, grad mode 5, okay, degrees, rad, grad, SD mode, fix, scientific, norm, okay. So I can't really, oh, that's a period. So mode period is SD, which is probably standard deviation or statistics mode. Mode period. And you see there? Gives you an SD. And now let's do this random. Nope, it doesn't do random. Mode? Nope. Actually, it took it away. Okay, definitely read some of the instructions on that. Okay, I hope that was something that was interesting to you. If you like this content, please share it with your friends. Please share it with your teachers. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this content. There's a lot more on this channel, and it's been around for a long time, where it gives you a lot of insights, step-by-step type of calculations. I hope you have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.